Making a payment with your virtual card is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can make payment using your virtual card. So this thing is pretty easy. You just have to go to any of the website wherever you want to use your virtual card. Suppose I'm at this website, so I'm just going to go to any of the product. I'm going to click it, buy it now, check out as guest, and there you guys go. As you guys can see, it have multiple payment options. So you just have to select the new card, which could be Visa or MasterCard, whatever the card is. So what actually is a virtual card? So let me tell you what is a virtual card. Virtual card is same as a debit or credit card, but the thing is it is on your phone, which means you have to use your card number, your expiry date, and your CVV to verify that you have a virtual card, which is pretty basic thing. While adding the payment as a card, you can easily put your virtual card's information, and they will charge you from your virtual card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use your virtual card to make payments. Hope you guys find this video helpful.